Hi, Sandy White here from Rapid Test and Trace Canada, and I'm going to show you how to perform a rapid antigen test. Today we're going to use the BTNX test, which is one of our Canadian products, but as you can see in front of us, we have our other tests, the SARS-CoV-2 rapid antigen test and the Abbott PanBio as well. We're going to focus on BTNX as the testing process generally is pretty similar regardless of which test you're using. So with BTNX, you have a bottle of the buffer solution in front of us here, and then our vial that the buffer solution has to get dropped into. So we're going to put 5 drops of the buffer into this tube here, put the buffer down off to the side, and next we're going to use our swab for a shallow nasal swab. I'm not going to go all the way on this one because I'll probably cough and sneeze, so we'll just keep it simple today. So tilt your head back, get that swab into your nose, about 1/2 centimeter or 1 centimeter, twist it around for 5 seconds, take it out, and then do the next nostril, in there for about 5 seconds with the head tilted back, and then the swab goes into the vial that has the buffer solution in it, and we leave it there for about 2 minutes. So now that we've waited 1 or 2 minutes to let the swab sit in the buffer solution, we're going to take this out, and the buffer tube here is flexible, so we're going to squeeze that tube and make sure that everything comes off the swab so that we have all the liquid that we need necessary to get a proper reading. We're going to put the swab in a garbage over here and then put the nozzle on top of the vial and make sure that that nozzle is on nice and tight. From there, we're going to open our reader, which is where we are dropping the solution. So now we'll take our vial and we're going to put 3 drops of this in the well on the reader. And from there, we're going to see if we are negative or positive for COVID. Now that we've put our drops of the buffer solution into the reader, we're going to be able to take a look after we've waited about 10 or 15 minutes to see what our result is. So from here, if I'm looking at the reader, I've got a control line on the C showing that the test is negative and we don't have COVID. And that's how they're performed. Thank you.